Good morning, boys and girls, and today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so today is a special day. Today is Earth Day, and it also is a special anniversary for Earth Day. So on April 22nd in 1970, there was the biggest environmental protest that involved millions of Americans. People all over the country were upset and worried about the way our Earth was being mistreated. After this monumental day in 1970, several laws were put into action to help protect our Earth. For example, the Clean Water Act and the Endangered Species Act were developed. The theme for the Earth Day 2020 is climate action. So my question today is, can you use your mighty math skills to figure out what anniversary Earth Day celebrates this year? So if it started in 1970 and we're in 2020, use those math skills to see if you can figure it out. All right, let's jump right into our day. Remember to do our morning check-in. I think I had 19 people participate. We're almost at 100% people filling in the daily check-in. So make sure you do that each and every day. Our activity today is a special Earth Day activity. Check it out if you are looking for something to do today. Our weekly schedule. All right, Wacky Wednesday. So today you can make up a silly song or a dance and you can send me a video of it. I'm not sure if I can put videos um, onto our shoutouts, but I will try my best if you send me a video. Like always, we have our early finisher activities. This is the same as today and Tuesday and Monday. All right. Also, we have our chapter 19, 20, 21, and 22 of our Flipgrid videos of Winn-Dixie. Today is our last day to get these done, so please make sure you do it. Chapter 23, 24, and 25 will be up tomorrow. For reading today, you've been doing a great job taking notes on the same animal as last week and one subtopic that you've been focusing on this week. Today, you are going to be synthesizing your notes, which means to combine the information together. Learn more about how to synthesize by rewatching Mrs. W's video. Step 3, she will talk to you about how to combine the notes that you have into your own words and synthesize. Make sure you use the graphic organizers from Monday and Tuesday. Don't expect you to redo all your work. The links for your collections are here if you want to add more notes from the previous days. And then for math, today you're going to be learning lesson 7.5. There is a video that you're going to watch from Mrs. Traverson. Please make sure you are printing out all of this information. Some of you actually may have your math journal book home with you because we were going to have a test before we started distance learning, and I told you to bring your journal books home. So some of you may not have to print out these pages, 229, 230. They are in your journal if you do have it at home. After you're done watching the video, filling out the worksheets, there is an exit slip that you will complete. Writing today, you are going to be watching a video about how to learn how to read a story online and highlight and take notes. We are going to be starting our literary essay unit today by focusing on characters' traits and feelings and character relationships. I'm going to be modeling in the video how to do so with the story The Dot that we read in the beginning of the year. And then you are going to show me how to do it after watching the video with the story Those Shoes. You will have a copy, your own copy of Those Shoes on Google Classroom, and you also will have a copy of our claims about text. And I talk more about that in the video. Also, if you would like to listen to a read aloud copy, if you click the picture of those shoes, it will bring you, oh, bring you to Grammarly, good old Grammarly, but it will bring you to a read aloud of those shoes. All right. So make sure you watch the video. You're highlighting and taking notes. All of this is explained in that video right there in red. Either print the tracking sheet or on Google Classroom, you can type it. Make sure if you are printing it that you are emailing me a picture of your work so I can see what you worked on today. Science is the same as the rest of the week. How long do people and animals survive in outer space? Some of you have done it. If you are looking for something to do, if you're finishing earlier in the day, this is something you can do on your own time. And our national holiday, like I talked about in the beginning of the video, is National Earth Day. It is not the 20th, it is the 22nd. I will fix that for you. And then maybe you can research an Earth Day. Maybe you did the activity and you want to share about it. As always, the Flipgrid here is for you to use. So have a great day today. Thank you for watching the video and learning the expectations of the day. Work hard, be great, like always, and be kind. Bye, boys and girls.